In this video, I'll show you how to mirror your Samsung phone screen to your TCL Smart TV easily. Step 1. Connect to the same Wi-Fi. Make sure your Samsung phone and TCL Smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Enable screen mirroring on TCL TV. On your TCL Smart TV remote, press the Home button. Navigate to Settings, Device Preferences, Chromecast built-in or Screen Mirroring, depending on your TV model. Turn on Screen Mirroring or Miracast. Step 3. Enable Smart View on Samsung phone. Swipe down from the top of your Samsung phone to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for Smart View and tap it. Your phone will start searching for available devices. Step 4. Select your TCL TV. From the list of devices, tap your TCL Smart TV. Your phone will connect, and the screen will be mirrored to your TV. Step 5. Control and disconnect. To stop mirroring, tap Smart View again on your phone and disconnect. You can now enjoy your phone content on the big screen. Thanks for watching. If this helped, please like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.